We didn't really have an oral surgeon that we loved. We would have surgeons that we would send patients to and they'd get the job done, but nobody that we could like rave about to our patients. As I started to develop a relationship with Dr. Shapiro, it became very clear that he was just different than all the other surgeons.
We all really care about the patients. We want to be as helpful as we can and make the experience better for people, because we all know how terrifying the dentist can be.
What separates our practice from the rest of the oral surgery practices is really our technology. Specifically, we are a 100% digital oral surgery practice. And what that means is we've eliminated all the guesswork that comes into play.
I have had 2 procedures done by Dr. Shapiro. It was a really good experience. I healed really quickly on both procedures.
You know, that saying is, you want to exceed expectations. Well, with Dr. Shapiro, there was just no question about it. He really exceeded expectations. He's tech savvy, he's kind, he's considerate, and he makes sure that he follows up on the cases that we work with.
Dr. Shapiro and his whole entire staff has been wonderful. I highly recommend them at every level.
One word to explain Dr. Shapiro would be dedicated. He's dedicated to helping the patients improve their smile, their quality of life, and just being a good surgeon.
When I send people to Dr. Shapiro, I let them know, one, he's great, you're gonna have a great experience there. And then when they get back, they really do echo that. They make it clear, I always ask the patients, I say, so how was it over at Dr. Shapiro's office? And they say,
I had a very pleasant experience at this office with Dr. Shapiro, and I would definitely come back again.
The guy is a piece of work. Very, very good at what he does. There's no doubt about it. You can't help but like Dr. Shapiro when you interface with him.
Coming here is a whole different experience. He really does care about you and about the outcome, the quality of the work.
I can say without a doubt that we have world-class specialists in our backyard, and we're very fortunate. And Dr. Shapiro, again, you can't stump him on anything academic or professional. He's always up to date on the latest research.
I know there's a lot of places where you'd have to go get a CT scan in a different office and then come here for the surgery and then maybe wait for a guide to be printed, come back a couple weeks later where he can do everything, in-house, a lot of times same day, where you're not having to come back for multiple visits.
I love making them feel good when they leave here. I love seeing the smiles on their faces. I love seeing when they walk out of here and they have beautiful smiles.
I knew that I needed this procedure done, and once I did, I definitely walk different. I talk to people different. I'm more confident in so many ways. It changed my life.